In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a maintenance page in Wix. This process is straightforward but requires patience and attention to detail, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix website. Ensure you're logged into your Wix account to access your dashboard. Once there, locate and access your website, which is the foundation of all the modifications we'll be making today. In your website editor, look to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Site Pages and Menu section. This area is where you'll manage your site's pages. Click on it to open a detailed menu of all the pages currently on your site. Now, we'll want to add a new page, so look for the option labeled Add Page and give it a click. When the new options appear, select Landing Page. This is crucial because a landing page can be quickly set as your home page and allows for a cleaner design focused solely on your message. While Wix is creating this new page, keep in mind that it may take a little while, so be patient. The system is making sure everything is set up correctly for you. Once the landing page is ready, it's time to give it a name so you can easily identify it. Type in Maintenance or something similar to indicate this page's function. After you've named it, locate the three dots next to your new maintenance page. Click on them to bring up a list of further options. From here, choose Settings. This will lead you to a variety of page configuration choices. Look for the Layout option in these settings. Click on it and you'll see some options related to your page's structure. Here, select No Header and Footers. This ensures your maintenance message stands alone, without any additional distractions or navigational options that a typical page might have. Next, head back to your page list and click on the Action menu, which is often represented by another set of dots or a menu label. In this menu, you'll find the option Set as Homepage. Selecting this means that visitors to your website will be directed to the maintenance page first. Now that the setup is nearly complete, you can go ahead and customize the message on your maintenance page. Suggest writing something as straightforward as "We are currently under maintenance" or simply "maintenance." Keep it brief and informative, reassuring visitors that your site will be back soon. Once you're satisfied with the message, the final step is to make this page live. So, click on the Publish button. By doing this, you ensure that any visitor to your site will see your maintenance message, effectively letting them know that your website has temporarily paused its regular function. And that's all there is to it. With the maintenance page now set up as your homepage, you can rest assured that visitors are adequately informed while you work behind the scenes to make any necessary updates to your site.